Thank you for taking the time to look at my channel and this video. Please, if you enjoy, press like and follow my channel. Comments are always welcome. Thank you very much. Hi all, and this is the intro to my little ride. I'm off on the Burg. I'm going up to Chiang Saen, where I hope to see the full moon tonight, the milk moon, rising over the Mekong river. So I'm going to set off soon. First stop, of course, will be Sausage King. There's a lot of dark clouds over there. Well, I've got to Sausage King, and I've been having a bit of a trial because the audio Bluetooth pairing hasn't been working on my cardio headset, and that's a real problem because my if I don't have audio, when it rains, my screen on the Huawei disappears. So let's see what happens. Meanwhile, guess what's happened here? My breakfast has arrived. Sausage King breakfast, it's a tradition. Well, the meal is eaten, very nice too, and just pay my bill, finish my coffee, then we'll set off. I have managed to pair my headset, which is brilliant because without a headset in the rain it's a real problem with the Huawei. Good Lord, I don't know if you could see that, but there's a scooter under that truck. Coffee time. Some of Thailand's finest coffee has just arrived. When in Thailand, this is where I thought I'd stay the night, but nobody came to attend to me. Maybe push the boat out and stay at the 3-star Serene at the Golden Triangle. But the Serene is closed. A lack of hotels, the possibility of rain, and the other side of the Mekong looking like a city under construction, I was pretty much resigned to not staying there. Chiang Saen and the Siam Triangle, but that didn't really do much for me, so off I set to Chiang Rai. It looks like I've been very lucky with the rain showers. I got a room at Kanlaya Place, checked in, showered, and then went for a wander. Beer and sightseeing and food. Before settling down at La Aula for the light show until a bus came and blocked my view. And a few more drinks before turning in at the hotel. Day 2, check out and time to get off home. I hadn't gone far before I hit a wet area. I fueled up, and by the time I left, it had cleared up. But those menacing dark clouds were full of water, and I soon got pretty wet. But I was able to dive into Doi Chang for breakfast, coffee, and to dry off. pavilion in front had a snake in a trainer. Let's see it again in slow motion.